to Super 8M. Ayun na siya. Umiikot pala yung bus. Mura na pala sa akin. So, ang bilis lang. Very, very fast. Diretso. We're going to walk for 5 minutes in the pavement road. Let's go. Dahil super init, tayong slide. Oh. So 5 minutes walk pa ito. Going sa entrance ng Tsing Yi Nature Trail. Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Here I go. I'm starting here at North. Let's start. Let's go up. Uupo ka nga lang talaga. Uy. Naman doon. I think this is not just 2 hours. Sa daming pwedeng puntahan. So, let's check it out. Oh, sitting area is here. Okay. Just like this only. Guys, nothing special sa sitting area. So, don't waste your energy climbing up the stairs. Ganda ng Pavilion 3. Here. 17 minutes. So let's go to Pavilion 3. Yay, Pavilion 3. Let's go! "17 minutes to guys." So, maglalakad tayo ng 17 minutes. Just like this. Enjoy the nature for 17 minutes. Yahoo! Picnic area too? In 7 minutes. Where are we now? Tingnan. I'm in Pavilion 3 right now. See, how does it look? Ba't ang daming gagamba? Just follow the ribbon. Ayan siya! Hello! Daming ribbon. So, this way. Akala ko mali. So, you hikers? This way nga. So this is it, guys, the Tsing Yi Bridge. I have a nice spot here. Wow, this bridge is going to airport. Ooh, let's enjoy the view. Right, tara, let's continue the hike to Tsing Yi Nature Trail. Ganda, diba? Wait ko sana hanggang gabi kaso lang mag-isa lang ako eh. So let's go. Etong yung tipong takot ka sa gagamba pero ang lakas ng loob mong maglakad dito ba? Ang daming sapot. Ayan ang gagamba. Ayan na, para hindi ako clear the way. Ang daming sapot. Hindi naman kasi tamang way ito ba? Nag-detour ka dyan. Let's go back to Tsing Yi Nature Trail. Parang ano ko eh. Balik na ako. Pwede ako. Tapos na ako dito pa. Dito pala. Here I'm Picnic area 1. Yahoo! So I am done with the trail. Oh, I almost did it all. Puro hagdan. At least shaded sila. Hindi nakakapagod. Relaxing lang. Another stairs again. Yahoo! Akyat na naman. Pavilion 2. After a break, I sat here for 10 minutes break. So let's head to Pavilion number 2. I thought I've been there already, but it's picnic area I meant. How long? 3 minutes. This is just very close. Let's go. Alright, I'm here in Pavilion number 2. I'm here. Pavilion number 2. Yahoo! Alright, I'm going to South Entrance for 15 minutes. We're here. Going to Pavilion number 1. Yahoo! So another 15 minutes going to Pavilion 1 or the South Entrance. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ay, wow. What is this? Oh. What is this? Sunny Bay? Oh, there's another one. Trigonometric. The second one. Oh wow! Oh wow! I think this is Pavilion number 1. Pavilion in here. Entrance in 5 minutes. Yo, I'm up. Another steps. See you. Stop. Oh, this is the South Entrance. I started at North Entrance, guys. So ito yung South Entrance. Yahoo! I'm out. Grabe. I'm started from here. Pavilion 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. Like this. I'm here. I'm here in South Entrance now. Advisable ito, guys, for summer hike kasi mostly ang trail shaded siya.